Okay, it's time for story time. We're going to enjoy the story. We're going on a nature hunt. As I read the story, I want you guys to listen to and follow along with the settings. I want you to remember the sequence of where they go. Okay? At the end, I'll ask you about it. So we're talking about the settings that they go to. Think about in order or sequence. Okay. We're going on a nature hunt. Hey, why don't we really go outside?
We're going on a nature hunt. We're going on a nature hunt by Steve Metzger, illustrated by Miki Sakamoto. Remember, I want you to remember the sequence or order of the settings in the story. Let's enjoy. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a bridge. A narrow and shaky bridge. What's on the other side? Let's find out. Cross, cross, cross to the other side. So they're at the bridge. It's a field of fluttery, buttery wildflowers. Look at those colorful flowers, but don't pick them. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. Where are they going to go to next? They're at the bridge, then the field. We're coming to a pond, a clear and sparkling pond. What's in the pond? Let's find out. Paddle, paddle, paddle to the lily pad. It's a slippery, sloppery frog. Look at that frog jump and swim, but don't scare it. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a meadow, a wide and hilly meadow. What's in the ground? Let's find out. Dig, 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 down into the ground. It's a worm. Look at that wiggly, waggly worm. But don't hurt it. Leave it be. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. So they've been a lot of places so far. Are you remembering the sequence or order of them? Let's see where they go next. We're coming to a tree, a tall and leafy tree. What's in that tree? Let's find out. Climb, 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 up to the crooked branch. They went to a tree. It's a scritchety, scratchety nest. Look at those eggs in the robin's nest. But don't touch. What's that noise? It's very close by. It's making a buzzing sound. It's a beehive. Let's go! Bzz, bzz, bzz. Okay, it's gonna speed up. Get ready. Here comes some settings. Back down the tree. Back through the meadow. Back across the pond. Back over the bridge. We're home. We went on a nature hunt. The day went by so fast. We went on a nature hunt. Now we're home at last.
Okay, I'm back home. Do you remember the sequence of where they went? The settings. They started off at the bridge. Where'd they go next? Tell me the sequence. Okay, they went from the bridge to the field. From the field, they went to the pond. After the pond, they went to a meadow. After the meadow, they climbed a tree. Then the bees were there and they went down the tree back to the meadow. After the meadow, they went to the pond. After the pond, they went to the bridge. They didn't go back to the field. And after the bridge, they're at home, just like I am. Okay? Nice job, you guys. It's okay to get outside. Just stay with your family that you're staying with now. Stay a little bit further away from others. Can't really go on play structures or anything, guys. Anything we're touching, don't go sitting on benches. Okay? But definitely get outside and go for a walk. Go for a nature hunt.